That's not the way this slide's supposed to look. That's okay. Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Bookman from Opal Labs, and appreciate everyone's participation today. I'm going to talk about Skincare 2.0 and how we enable the next generation of the skincare industry, which is a very large opportunity and today pretty much analog. So first about the team. Let me go back. Okay, there we go. Okay. So on our team, this is the leadership team here. We've got two of the leading dermatologists in the States for teledermatology and for imaging. Dr. Bonasali, Dr. Rao, key players in this. 4 people on the team have had CEO experience. And we have the ex-senior vice president for strategy from Sephora on the team. I've been in startups and venture stuff for 25 years. Was with Sony, and I think my background is mostly expertise in search and mobility. So let's talk about what the problem is, what we're shooting for. So the average consumer today has too many choices, does not know what to buy. There's a lot of confusion. So 60,000 products on Amazon. Very few people trust the claims made in the ads. 30% are doing research for over 2 weeks before they make a purchase. 80% are getting advice from social media and friends. So the net of this is people are buying the wrong products, making the problem worse. Doctors think this is a big problem. So what is the solution? So the Opal platform is an AI-based platform that does analysis of the skin. For example, acne, it'll rate your skin, show you where those issues are, and then from there make recommendations for what products will help with that particular skin profile. It will learn over time, and the key point of this platform is that we reward the user for sharing data with us using blockchain technology. It's a key part of this, the value proposition. You share data, we give you the free analysis, and we reward you for that data. We're building APIs so third parties can use this on their platforms also. Right now it's a web app, but there will be Android and iOS versions coming out shortly. So the business model is fairly straightforward. If we make a sale on our platform, we'll get a commission. Typically $100 sale, 30%. When third parties use our APIs, we'll charge a monthly and transaction fees. So that's either using our data or using our services. So what kind of traction do we have currently? We were just named a top 50 healthcare provider by CIO Applications magazine. We have 30 brands who have signed up already for the service. We've collected a lot of data, over 60,000 profiles, 30,000 actual scans of facial data, which is already critical mass we think we need to train the AI. 80% of the people surveyed say they are going to introduce Opal to their friends who have tried it. And we've issued $2 million in rewards already to people for their data. So of our 150,000 signups that we've had so far, on average they're spending $250 a month on products, and we've spent nothing on acquisition, user acquisition. It's all been through word of mouth. So what are the targets here? It's a $120 billion industry, 1 billion online skincare consumers. That's including China. So we believe from the research we've done that 1 out of 3 skincare consumers will use an app to manage their skincare. That's going to be, go back here, sorry about that. 300 million users, which is going to generate $3 billion of skincare services in-app in the total market. Our target is $100 million of that market, 10 million adoptions, which is 1% of the audience. So what kind of financial plan? So we're looking to raise $2.5 million in this round. We'll do another one for $7.5 million. That's 15%.
Time's up. I'm sorry, you'll have to cut you off for questions.
Pardon me?
Time's up for the pitch. We'll have to go to Q&A.
Are we ready to QA?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So just to go through really quickly, skip this competitor slide. So it's a $10 million valuation, $2.5 million round, U.S. company that we're funding. And very quickly, we'll complete our platform. We're going to launch our first 3 markets, fund the operations for about 18 months, and achieve first $1 million in revenue. So skincare is a great vertical to go after first. There are other verticals down the road that we can apply the same technology to. Okay. Any questions?
So have you launched the platform already, and do you have any paying customers?
We've launched the platform already. We've just turned the marketplace on, and so we've issued the rewards tokens. We're just starting to go into revenue right now. So 150,000 signups. Yeah.
Of the 150,000 signups, what are the geographical distribution of the users and the age group? All over.
All over the world. We have 190 country codes in the database already. Heavily in Asia.
Heavily in Asia.
Heavily in Asia. 20 to 30 is the main age category. Acne is the biggest skin problem. Acne is the biggest skin problem. Yeah. But we have a lot of data about this.
What do you think will be your customer acquisition cost, or your plan to acquire more customers on the platform?
Yeah. So the rewards are key to this. So we give the free scans, and we give our token, our OPA coin, to people who share their data. And then we incentivize users then to share what they've learned from the platform on products that work, as well as to share their scan data with others. We'll also be doing celebrity and other kind of social media posts, encouraging sort of influencers to post about the platform, what they've learned, and how they actually can benefit from the platform. We have a simulation when you do the scan. It shows you actually, shows you how you actually improve. We do a simulation of that. So a lot of people share that data.
And you said your revenue model is based on the commission from the brands, right?
Commission from sales and data. And
but what if the customer finds out he needs one product and maybe for 10 months and he buys for 1 month from your website, but rest 9 months directly from the brand?
We're going to have both in marketplace and referral.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's time's up.
Both are on that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.